Hello viewers, welcome to Cooking Vegan. In today's video we will be making vegetable Hakka noodles, the Chinese dish that all of us love to have. So let's see how to go about it. First, in a large vessel, boil around 10 cups of water and add these veg Hakka noodles into it. Let them boil according to the instructions given for around 2 or 3 minutes until they become soft. So here I've added the noodles, and once they start to boil, I will drain all the water and transfer it to a large vessel like this. So there should be no water in the noodles. So now add a little bit of oil to the noodles so that they don't stick to each other. So let them cool down, and next we'll start preparing the vegetable mixture. Here I have kept ready all the vegetables cut into strips, long strips, and also some spring onions. So take an iron wok, which is preferable to do Chinese cooking. Add some oil to it and then some sesame seeds. Since we are not using sesame oil, I have added sesame seeds to it, and then add some 6 or 7 garlic pods. Now you need to saute all these vegetables in high flame. Next you need to add spring onions. Saute it well in the oil, and then take one large onion that is finely chopped and add it to this. Saute them well until they turn crisp. They shouldn't become soft. As you know, the vegetables should be really crunchy. Here I am adding some capsicum to the onions. Saute the capsicum well. Next I am adding thin strips of carrot. I have chopped them into long strips. So add the carrots and saute them in the oil. Next I am adding some salt that is required for this dish. You can also add a spoon of sugar, so that will help to retain the color of the vegetables. Then add finely shredded cabbage. As cabbage gives a very good taste to the noodles, you can add a lot of cabbage in this. So saute everything well. Next you will need to add about half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Either white or black pepper powder you can add. Mix it nicely and then add about 1.5 teaspoon of soy sauce. Once it is mixed well, you can add a bit of red chili sauce to give it a nice tangy taste to it. About half a teaspoon of red chili sauce will do. Now I have mixed all these very well. So the vegetable mixture is ready to be added to the noodles. Now take the vessel in which we have kept the noodles, separate them and then add the vegetable mixture. Toss it all around very well so that the noodles get coated with the sauces that we have added. Mix it using 2 ladles, that will be better. So make sure that the vegetable mixture and the noodles are all mixed really well. Finally, I am adding some greens of spring onions. You can add a spoon of vinegar too, that will give a good taste to it. So I have transferred it to a plate and I'm garnishing it with the spring onion greens. As you can see, the top part of the spring onions I have added to the noodles. So do taste this yummy dish, friends. I hope you will prepare it. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.